Euston Road tends to be too busy for a pleasant wander, so I quickly turned left onto Upper Woburn Place, steeling myself to brave Tavistock Square. At this point in the video, I intended to quote Tarquin. "If you don't know what went on at the Tavistock Clinic, you're beyond my help. And if you were a patient there, you're beyond anyone's help." But the clinic moved from Tavistock Square in 1932, so that's this link ruined. From Gordon Square, one can glimpse the 64 metres tall Art Deco 1937 completed Senate House, a structure that wouldn't be out of place in New York. It served as the Ministry of Information during World War II, leading to it being claimed as the inspiration for George Orwell's Ministry of Truth in his novel 1984. After the war, it reverted to its original purpose as the administrative centre of the University of London. I'm partial to painted brick signs and tweeted these pictures of Good Street, eliciting a reply from the Falkirk genius. Hello, Andrew. I listened to the Donovan track linked on the train ride home, and it's a corker. I've made it the bonus track in the description below. Maybe the album from which it's taken, Fairy Tale, is a corker also. Having listened though, I can say it isn't. It's dreadful Americana. Avoid. Talking of the aforementioned Ministry of Truth. A lot has been written about the Marble Arch Mound, most of it negative. Built at a cost of £2 million by Westminster Council, the concept was to entice shoppers back to Oxford Street, where 17% of shops are claimed to have been closed permanently. If an unkempt allotment, which the mound resembles, draws shoppers to Oxford Street, Westminster Council will have a success on their hands. Perhaps Sunday Mornings has found the nearby Speaker's Corner hosting lively oration concerning the mound, but this wander took place on a Saturday, so I don't know. Towards the western end of Kensington Gardens resides the 1931 J. Markham designed bandstand. The pleasing Regency style is tarnished by the spindly dais fence and steps rail, which resemble a cheap Meccano construction. I was, however, particularly taken by the convex ceiling, complete with mystical mural of stars above concentric irregular circles. I've no idea what the design signifies, but Tarquin suggests Masonic nonsense. The ogee or S-shaped roof was chosen to enhance musical acoustics and explains the convex ceiling. An April 2021 report in the Architects Journal stated the Royal Parks had announced a conservation architecture framework, with tenders requested for a £666,000 project, tasked with inspecting and advising on repairs, conservation and restoration of Royal Park structures. The bandstand is expected to be restored as part of this framework's findings. Not a lot caught my eye wandering along Kensington High Street, but afforded the opportunity to shoot stock footage for my tube station collection, which stands at 32 if you're interested. Despite its Gothic tendencies, Gothic architecture should generally be avoided. Hammersmith Bridge is a London icon, the sweeping suspension cables narrowing at the centre to form an elegant symmetry, unencumbered by a high rise and crowded backdrop. The bridge was opened in 1887 at a cost of £82,117 and is the work of Joseph Bazalgette, who was also the engineer for Central London's sewerage system. Structural problems and freedom fighters' bombs have caused several closures of the bridge, the most recent being 2019's closure to motor vehicle traffic, which was extended to cyclists and pedestrians in August 2020. Studies and talks ensued, which suggested closing the bridge was overcautious, resulting in the bridge once again becoming crossable by cyclists and pedestrians in July 2021. The bridge was also closed to water traffic travelling beneath, and now bears a traffic light system to indicate if passage is safe and permissible. Although Grade 2 listed, the bridge's future is uncertain, with refurbishment costed at £100 million and rising. A £3 toll scheme has been proposed to cover this amount. Goodness knows when work will start, or if it will progress any quicker than the £6 million lick of paint and road surfacing of Wandsworth Bridge, which began in July 2020 and as of January 2022 is still shrouded in white.